You think you're bad at small talk, but honestly, that's not true. You're not bad at talking. You're just asking questions that don't lead anywhere. You ask someone what they do, they say, I'm in design. You say, oh, nice. And then silence, both of you just standing there. Instead, you could have said, that's great. What motivates you to be in design? And see how this line just hands the conversation right back to them. That's the whole fix. You have to stop closing sentences and start opening them. And there's an actual method for it. Just follow these three moves: context, story, and feeling. Imagine yourself at a party and you ask, how do you know the host? That's your context question. And it works because you're not pulling some random topic out of nowhere. You're just asking about the room you're already standing in, and she says, oh, we used to work together. Now, most people would just say, here, cool, and move on. But instead, you follow the thread and ask the story question. Something like, wait, what was that job? And suddenly, she's not just a stranger with a name tag anymore. She's telling you about their chaotic startup where half the people at this party actually met. And that's the difference between a fact and a story. A fact just stops at itself, while a story actually leads to somewhere. Then comes the part almost nobody does, and honestly, it's the part that matters most. Once she finishes the story, you should ask, do you miss it? And that single question that changes everything, because now she's not performing an answer anymore. She's actually thinking about it. Maybe she says some days, maybe she laughs and goes, God, no. And either way, you just got something real instead of something rehearsed, and that's what the feeling question does that the other two can't. It asks for honesty and connects to their lives instead of just asking information. Now, don't turn this into some daily routine running in your head. Context, story, feeling, and repeat to every person you meet. That's not really the point. The actual skill is much smaller than that. Every sentence someone says has a door hidden inside it, and your only job is to notice it. I just moved here. The door is what brings you here. I started therapy. The door is what pushed you to. I hate my job. The door is what you'd rather be doing instead. So you're not really hunting for clever things to say. You're just refusing to let a sentence end. Try this the next time you're talking to someone. When they give you a flat answer, don't switch the subject. Go one layer deeper into the exact thing they just said. That's it. Because most people aren't waiting for someone interesting. They're just waiting for someone to ask one more question. If this actually helped, hit like and subscribe because there's a lot more of this coming.